Hey everyone, Brandon here. So today we may have an unboxing. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to keep this product, honestly, just because it came in the mail today and it looks like it's already been opened. So this is probably one of the most nastiest things that you could unbox if it's used. And yeah, so we're gonna find out. Anyways, this is the Palovue PV1C SoundFlow earphones. Now, there's a lot of things that say that this has already been opened, already been used. So most likely it's going back no matter what. I decided I'm gonna unbox it anyways, just because if it's new, we might keep it. If it's used, at least we get to see the disgusting factor of this video. So let's go into it. No one wants to ever wear used headphones. Let's just admit it and be straightforward. No one wants someone else's earwax in their ear. I don't care how clean you try to make your earphones. It's disgusting. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you why I think it's used. So first off, I don't know if you can see that red. It looks like someone tried to take a pen or a crayon and just write all over it. The box is kind of damaged at the corners, and I did buy this new, by the way. Yeah, I didn't buy it used. I would never buy headphones used. Never. Disgusting. And the second thing I noticed, well, you have security tape over here, right? Yeah, the security tape is not there. Well, it actually is, but it's inside the box. And yeah, honestly, I don't even know why I'm gonna open it. I feel like I should just take it and just ship it back, because it's pretty disgusting. So let's just get through it. I'm probably going to have to repack it and just wash my hands because it's absolutely disgusting. So let's go ahead. It's already sticky. I can feel it from the sticker already being opened. And the box is already ripped. So that just tells me it's been used. It's... Yep, it's used. It's used, guys. There's hair. There's legit hair in it. We're gonna manage this. See, even Kylie disagrees. She says this is disgusting. So let's take an earbud out. I was wondering why they were on sale, honestly, and I think I know why. So a whole bunch of people are gonna be very upset, I believe, and they're not gonna be very happy when they see the results. So as we take it out, there is definitely earwax residue on them. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Yeah, you see that right up at the top? That's earwax residue. Disgusting, man. I don't know why any company would get these returns and then think, oh yeah, you know what, it's okay, we'll try to clean it the best we can and just ship it back. So yeah, these are going back 100%. It's just a mistake buying them. You know, I was really hoping that maybe it was a deal. Trying to see if there's any other signs of earwax, and I am seeing, like, it just feels like it was covered with earwax. You know how earwax, it always has that little feel to it, that waxiness. I mean, it's earwax, so it makes sense. And no matter how much you try to clean, it's always gonna have that little extra feel to it. So let's see what the other buds feel like, and it looks like they actually did not take these out, or maybe they did and they just packed it back in. Let's just see. Yeah, so look at these. Look at that. That is brand new. Those have not been used. The ones that came on it, used. Nasty. Disgusting. So I'm not even going to deal with this. It looked like it was pretty cool when I bought it. You know, it was pretty affordable. But yeah, I'm not going to deal with someone's used the nasty headphones that they decided they didn't like and they're going to send back. So back to the drawing board on that. So Palovue, you know, I don't know if it's the company that sent these out or a third-party shipper. Yeah, not good business. Don't do that stupid stuff. I almost cussed, but I refrained from doing it because I respect you all. Nasty, disgusting practice. Hate it. 0 out of 10. Negative 100 out of 100. Okay? Horrible. Never, never, never. So, good thing we have another product that I know is brand new, and we're going to unbox that after this video. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed, you know, watching a failed product come to the house. It happens once in a while. I usually don't unbox them because I usually just ship them back. So we're going to put this back into the box and we're shipping it back to Amazon because I'm not dealing with that. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, got a little laugh out of it, maybe you got a disgusting factor out of it, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting. I'm going to put this in the box, wash my hands, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye. And I have to keep the camera on because I'm not touching anything else.